Hey guys, it's me V. So I'm gonna show you some clips of the video we made on our last Diliman Access review. Well, if you guys don't know, Diliman Access is a review center in Katipunan aimed for students to have a review before their college entrance exam. Yep, I'm a fourth year student. I'm a senior. I know, I'm going to college. Isn't it fun? So enjoy watching the clips because I really miss these guys. I'm kind of emotional once I saw them, but I'm really hoping to see them in the college I'm going to pass on. So enjoy guys, and don't forget to subscribe. What can you say about yourself? Joke lang!
About you!
About me? Good luck sa akin, di ba?
Ako din, sa akin. Hindi, nakakahimay gusto ko. Para hindi siya mag-
Ay, mo seryoso? Okay ka nun? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Dalawa lang.
Ayoko na.
Okay, Charles.
Words of inspiration.
Words na yun sa kanila.
Basta good luck lang or be strong or something.
No, okay, Charles, no.
Siguro ako pala si
Cool. YouTube ko to.
YouTube
Ding,
ko?
ding, ding, ding.
Ganda niya. Sarang ngayon. Gano'n ka na lang.
Wait lang, di ba?
Ganda si Catherine.
Ah, sige. Tama di ba? Ivy, good luck sa college. Sana magkita tayo para sa MBS Bio.
Bongga.
Malay mo, di ba? Sa future. So yan, good luck. Bye-bye.
Magawa nga yan.
Na din 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 din.
Pag-college.
Wala, kaya mo yan. Sige.
Nice. Aja. Kuya!
Annyeong.
Daya mo!
Sige, anyong ka lang ng anyong, kuya.
Uy, kumanta kami na
Paano nila yung isip sa isa't isa?
Alam ko may mga lovers, may mind delivery yun eh.
Eye to eye contact.
Oy, good luck sa college. Okay.
Nice.
Sabihin ko.
Kayak naman.
Hello. Ayun.
Dapat may background music. Careless whisper.
Ano ba?
Katrina talaga.
Naka-ano na siya? Naka-video na siya? Ayun, magkita tayo sa college.
May tsura ko.
Ingat ka lagi. Tsaka sana, matupad yung mga pangarap mo.
Teka, naiiyak ako dyan. Teka lang.
Ivy.
Okay, next.
Ano ba yan?
Ayoko na close up.
Yan, yung music yan.
Ano ba yan?
Yan lang.
Okay naman.
Hi.
What? Ho, ho!
Good luck.
Sa'yo tayo ng body.
Good luck sa'yo sa college.
By song.
Ay, ito.
May God always be with you.
Nice. Woo! Bongga.
Dasal ka parati at sana makapasok ka sa isang magandang university.
Nice.
Hi Ivy, may you always prioritize the wisdom that you will get from your parents.
Nice. Salamat.
Yay!
Last look, last look.
Bye-bye. Wala ka na, okay.
Last look naman yo.
Bye-bye. Wish you-
Annyeong!
Anyong na, anyong.
Anyong lang.
Annyeong, please watch
Your.
Annyeong na lang.
Next na.
Next.
Perfect na kasi.
Next na.
Ayos lang ah.
Okay, bye guys.
Charles!